सब्सक्राइब कीजिए वी टेक्निकल वर्ल्ड को और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को दबाइए। न्यू वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पाइए।
Last year, Xiaomi had launched the Mi Mix 2 in September, and it had announced Mi Mix 2S phone as its upgraded version in March this year. It is heavily speculated that Xiaomi may announce the Mi Mix 3 flagship phone as a successor for the Mi Mix 2 in the coming month. A recent leak had claimed that the Mi Mix may go official on September 15th. Also, it is speculated that the smartphone may offer more screen space, as it won't be featuring a selfie camera on the bottom bezel of the phone. Instead of it, it may arrive with an LED flash-enabled pop-up selfie camera. Today, a leaked screenshot of what appears to be official listing of the Mi Mix 3 has surfaced. The screenshot has revealed the key specifications, as well as the pricing of the phone. As it can be seen in the leak, the Mi Mix 3 will be supporting 2K resolution on its AMOLED display that will be equipped with COP packaging technology. The Snapdragon 845 chipset will be present inside it. For shooting selfies, the handset will be featuring a 20-megapixel pop-up front camera. An in-display fingerprint scanner will be also present on the Mi Mix 3. Lastly, the leak also reveals that the smartphone will carry support for Qi wireless charging. Apart from these specs, the new leak has no information on RAM, storage, and battery capacities of the Mi Mix 3. In 2015, Xiaomi had filed a patent for selfie flash-equipped pop-up front camera. Multiple reports that have surfaced in the recent past have claimed that the upcoming Mi Mix 3 would be featuring the same selfie camera setup. The Xiaomi Mi 8 is equipped with a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Probably, the company may use the same selfie snapper on the Mi Mix 3. The Mi Mix 2S is the first Xiaomi phone to arrive with support for Qi wireless charging. Hence, it is likely that the Mi Mix 3 would be also equipped with Qi wireless charging. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition, that was unleashed alongside the Mi 8, is the first Xiaomi phone to feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. The upcoming Mi Mix 3 flagship phone could be the second phone to feature it. The leak has also revealed that the Mi Mix is priced at 3,899 yuan, $569. Unfortunately, there is no confirmation on the authenticity. Hence, it is advisable to digest the report with grain of salt. So guys, what do you think about Mi Mix 3? Share your opinion down below in comment section. And thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.